Before migrating data to Freshservice, turn off all workflow, scenario automations, closure rules, and minor change. Here's how to switch off workflows and automations. Log into your Freshservice account. Then press on Admin in the left sidebar. Under Help Desk Productivity, select Workflow Automator. Disable all active automation rules. Then go to Workflow Scenario Automations. There, document all scenarios and delete them. Next step is to disable closure rules. Return to Admin. Under Help Desk Productivity, locate closure rules. Turn off all closure rules. Press on Save to apply changes. Lastly, disable minor change type. Go to Admin again. Under Help Desk Productivity, select Change Lifecycle. Then turn off minor change type. Now, you are all set to continue your Freshservice data migration.